Uh, you're bidding on a unit heater, 24 volt. We'll have the information in the ad. This was government surplus. Somehow the box looks good, but this piece here, I don't know if you can see it, it's, I'll rotate it a little bit. You can see it in there? If you push this down, and you can see everything comes right back together, and the squirrel cage works smoothly. I'll show this one here. Here you can see it's loose, but it goes right back together. It needs glue, but we're not going to glue it. You can glue it yourself if you want, if you got an interest in it. But I'm turning the squirrel cage and it's no binding, so it's got to be put back together in that position. Pretty nice compact unit. Water, this looks like defrost. This is air distribution. I'll have individual shots. Good luck bidding.